Dancehall star Vybz Kartel and co-accused remain behind bars after the highly anticipated court ruling did not go in their favor. The Supreme Court ruled against the defense's submission, claiming the men were being held unconstitutionally.
Now, the court rejected the defense's argument following a recent ruling by the Privy Council, which upheld their convictions. As a result, Kartel will remain incarcerated as per the court's decision. Our reporter Ramon Gordon was on location.
The Supreme Court has denied a habeas corpus application made on behalf of reputed killer and dancehall sensation DJ Vybz Kartel Palmer. This means the world boss will stay locked up, at least for now.
An increased paramilitary presence along King Street early Thursday indicated that something significant was underway. This sense of anticipation gripped the chambers. In fact, the courtroom had to be changed to accommodate the influx of spectators. However, there'd be no good news for Palmer, as Supreme Court Judge Justice Audrey Thomas handed down a ruling mid-afternoon which extends Kartel's detention until June 10, when the Court of Appeal will decide whether to retry or release Kartel. At least one fan outside Duke Street sobbed uncontrollably following the news.
What about you though? What were you expecting to happen today?
While handing down her ruling, Justice Thomas explained that the men are being detained legally since the Commissioner of Corrections has received no order from any court outlining provisions for a release. She contends that the Privy Council's decision to quash the conviction does not mean an acquittal. Also referencing the new Bail Act, Justice Thomas highlighted that persons convicted of murder are not eligible for bail. The defense, in a habeas corpus application filed on May 13, had argued that the men are being detained illegally. However, the judge remained unconvinced. Kartel's legal team left immediately after the ruling was handed down and declined requests for media interviews. Kartel's fate now rests with the Court of Appeal, but until that time, another fan remains hopeful.
We are here a little bad news, but the good news I hear is boy him come out and him change him life and do the right thing. You understand? Yeah. You know Kartel, you know. Real boss.
Adija Palmer and his co-accused were convicted in 2014 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Ramon Gordon for CVM News.